Sameway has been focusing on research and development, pursue outstanding quality for more than 16 years to achieve the best lithium e-bike. Sameway has invested tens of millions of dollars to gradually establish and improve the e-bike assembly factory, frame factory, battery factory, motor factory, and spray paint factory. Has production base of more than 20,000 square meters. The annual production capacity exceeds 200,000 pieces. Equipped with professional technicians and foreign trade team to undertake global orders of OEM customization, ODM development, design, and production. Sameway Group has 2 factories, 5 overseas warehouses, and 3 after-sale service centers. Fully connect in global market. Samebike covers in Europe Union, North America, Japan, South Korea, Middle East, Australia, and other countries and regions. Commit to provide professional and high-quality lithium e-bike for global users. Global users.